Companies everywhere are exploring building custom GPTs to better integrate their products and services with ChatGPT. Interactions between your backend services and ChatGPT take time to figure out, making even the smallest GPT projects take longer than expected. Using an API mocking first approach helps you get going faster by learning how ChatGPT will need to talk to your new API before you take on the actual API implementation. Today, I will demonstrate how you can do this with WireMock Cloud. We'll start in WireMock Cloud with a rapidly prototyped mock API. This API that ChatGPT will interact with supports 3 different calls currently: a searching for all animals, a searching for animals that are equal to a specific genus, and a post to purchase the animals. Simply by configuring these stubs with their matching criteria and responses that should be returned when the request is received, WireMock Cloud has automatically generated the OpenAPI schema or contract file for us. We'll use this to configure ChatGPT. We'll select our OpenAPI schema file, come into ChatGPT, navigate to our My GPTs, and create a new one. In the Configure section, we'll first come down into the Capabilities section and implement a Create New Action, and we'll paste our OpenAPI schema in here. We'll notice that currently ChatGPT is expecting an OpenAPI version 3.1.0, so we'll quickly change that up at the top of our document to 3.1.0, which will then remove our error message. Now we can go back and configure the rest of our GPT. We'll give it a name. We'll call this one Zoo Catalog. We'll provide a description as well as instructions and a conversation starter. Once we have this information populated, we can now test our new custom ChatGPT. We'll simply click on our conversation starter. We'll see that ChatGPT in debug mode is asking for approval to communicate with our mock API endpoint at zoocatalog.wiremock.api.cloud. I'll choose Always Allow. We can see that the following animals have been returned, and now we'll ask to purchase a horse. Again, we'll confirm that we're going to communicate with the HTTP endpoint. And we can see that the purchase of 1 horse has been successfully completed. Coming back over to WireMock Cloud, we can look at the request log and see the various interactions that were taken. So here we can see our get for /animals. Response that was returned was horse and zebra. And then the result of our purchase request of ID 1, which is a horse, and quantity 1 was returned as a success. As you've just seen, by embracing a mock-first methodology with WireMock Cloud, developers can unleash the full potential of GPT-powered applications and deliver innovative solutions at an unprecedented pace. Try it yourself with a free forever account at wiremock.io.